When it comes to your loved one's healthcare needs, staying organized is essential. That's why Team CarePal introduces the customizable care journal. At the very top right-hand corner, you're going to see a little journal with a pencil. Click on it. In here, you're going to see the journal, and this journal is only visual to caregivers. The rest of the community will not have access to this, so you guys can keep all the personal information private. In here, it's very customizable, so you can add new sections as you go or as your loved one's needs. So say if you wanted to keep track of all the doctor's appointments, you can create a section just for that. You can bounce around all the sections and you can see all the stuff that's underneath it. And everybody can collaborate on this and add entries as needed. So in doctor's appointment, if you wanted to add something, you can add your entry here as to how the doctor's appointment went, maybe next steps that you guys have to think about. But another thing is you can also record your doctor's appointment. This is really important if only one caregiver gets to go to the doctor's appointment and the other ones want to review what the doctor said. Or maybe if you didn't quite understand some of the terminology, you can review it later at home and look up maybe what was missed. So this is a great way to stay organized together and really keep your loved one at the center of care, keeping what their wishes are.